line stuff, right? And I might do more content on command line stuff. I'm just like, I don't know if I should, because I'm only okay with command line. Like I know enough to get by. Like I know enough, for some hand-to-hand combat, but like I'm not an expert in it. But you got to make sure you balance out those skills, okay? It's not all cloud out there, guys. All right, let me scroll down, and feel free to keep on asking questions in the chat. Yeah, it's really annoying. I don't know why my Instagram's posting twice. I am Chandu97 says, I am into data engineering, very cool, and recently started Snowflake ETL integrate. ETL integrate. Can you share some tips to get things more efficiently? More efficiently with what? What do you mean? Not really sure where you're going with that. And also, I can't really say that I'm an expert with Snowflake. I've only used it on the periphery. Call me old school, but sometimes I don't like the tools that necessarily write code for you and kind of keep it in those packages. One, because it feels like you have less control over it. And two, you're kind of married to that product now, right? Not all of those products are friendly about exporting their stuff out of their environment and then you using it on your own, right? Because that's kind of how they hook you into the license fees and all that, right? You can basically never get rid of it, and that always makes me uncomfortable. But let me know some more information on what you're looking for there, because at some point, it's really just more about practice, right? About connecting to different data sources. But give me some more information, because I think I'm missing part of what you're actually looking for. Okay. That's a repeat. I don't know why my Instagram messages are repeating. I'm gonna have to look that up. Alan says, I think a lot of us are often chasing glory with this career path